What's happening, guys? So here we have the Onefinity CNC machine with the Z-20 spindle mount and the Journeyman with the Stiffy rail. Onefinity was so kind to send me this upgrade and to beta test it, and so now I'm going to make a video on how you make a cake with the Onefinity. And I was under the impression we're just going to put a wisp in the spindle and then make the machine move, and then my wife's like, why, there's no fun in that. Why is it not spinning? I'm like, honey, it's the lowest I can go, and the spindle's 7,000 RPMs. She's like, it doesn't even matter. And she's standing right next to me. She said, it's gotta spin. I thought you said you want to make a good video and not a garbage one. So, it does spin. So, yeah, go ahead. What do you think?
I think it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, I love
really good cake.
Love the enthusiasm there. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get covered. So, let's just get into this. Alright, so this thing calls for the cake batter. I don't know how much water she gave me. What? Oil. Wait till lubricate the rails. How much water? That's it?
I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of applesauce because without the eggs, I don't want it to be too dry.
We don't need to add no applesauce.
I'm not even toasted.
I don't need applesauce all over. What, oh, you got 1 egg?
Yeah. It calls for 3.
I hope it doesn't go too deep. Yeah, whatever.
That's what I'm saying. I said you probably shouldn't take it any deeper.
I'm taking it 2 inches deep from there. It can't be close. The spindle might get a little wet. It might go scuba diving.
I'm gonna go take this upstairs.
Yeah, you're not gonna be down here for this?
No, I just want to take this back though.
It's fine. I'm probably
No,
gonna
I just want to put that.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, crap.
Oh, that's good.
It's recording, right?
Yep. Yep, it is. And that thing, I got clean. Holy cow, this is... We should have done a shield around this thing. Well, it definitely whisks the batter up. Oh, the bowl must spike when it moved. Oh, that's not good. The whisk bent. What it failed to do. What's this? Wait, we're not done yet. We're not done. So let's get to the spindle. Give me some tape.
Huh?
Give me tape. I need tape. We're gonna make this thing whisk. The test run went so great. I can't allow this to fail.
That ain't gonna do anything. Turning the spindle on?
No,
how is that gonna do anything?
We're gonna tape the whisk. We're gonna try to make this work. Otherwise, it means I failed at making a cake with the Onefinity.
Oh boy.
That might actually work. Oh, that's gonna need to offset though, so I'm just gonna manually adjust it. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh, that's center, so we're way off. Hold on, right about there.
Your Z mount won't even, your spindle won't even go up and down.
Oh! Well, you know what? The spindle's mixing it now, so we'll just leave it at that. Well, that failed. Alright, well, I'll probably have to clean out the... Oh, well, I wasn't expecting... I should just turn on this.
Might as well, right?
Well, I gave it a nice little smooth topping, so alright. We'll just... Yeah.
Is it because it's on?
I'm gonna try to get some of the stuff off of it. Man, I'm gonna have to clean this entire machine.
Time for maintenance, right?
Yeah, nice. Look at it all spring cleaning.
It was time to do the maintenance on Onefinity, so.
Alright, well, we're gonna go bake the cake now. We'll be back. Hey guys, my name's Jenny. So excited to get some cake. Oh yeah. I'm gonna say this is the corner. Okay, I'm still recording good. So this is extremely unlevel. So what do we do in this situation? How would you home this? We stick the probe on it. Probably not. It won't come out of there. It'll be like sinking sand and it'll just flop into the middle of it and it'll be disappear. And you'll be like, where did Johnny the Pro go? I can't find him. He's gone. Okay, so we don't do that. But it is going to be a little unlevel. So what I think we do... Holy cow, I must have got oil all over the bottom of the machine. There could possibly be oil on the cake already. Where's my Bill Bar set? Come here. Just wipe the oils off. It's not like you're gonna have to re-oil this thing anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bring it over here, bring it here. I'm gonna say that's my that looks fairly close. That's gonna be my home origin. We're just gonna eyeball it. Looks like it's a little bit out of square. Maybe we just bring it over here. Yeah, we'll say that's good right there. Okay. So I'm gonna home the machine in the X and Y. Say it's good right there. And then, just to check. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So it's now home. So now I'm gonna go off. Ooh, Jenny about got a little frosting early. Now I'm going to go to the high point. And we'll just go close. Looks like we're just barely above the frosters. I mean, it looks like we're just on top of it. So now I'm going to home my Z, kick it up. Put my machine to the back, and I want to warm up the spindle. Actually, I don't even need to warm it up. It ain't going to be any forces on this thing. Be right back. Alright, so we're all down here to watch this cat. Let's see how bad it is. Hey, it's not flinging everywhere. Oh, it's just blended it. It just blended it. I don't know. I wonder if we do a better job. I love how...
Yeah, that's just not what I know.
It's like just frosting it. Move your hand back. So it's supposed to say Onefinity Elite, and it failed. But yeah.
That is so funny. Hi.
Look at it. Look at the E. See it?
Yeah.
Hey, the Elite actually didn't turn out too bad.
The Elite didn't turn out too bad. I always think this is mommy's face, but I hit your mouth and I got goober all over me. So, all right. Well, we tried. It came out not as good as I thought it was, but this is a fun video to make. Alright, so I decided since the cake carving didn't really carve the cake, kind of just like whirlpooled the thing, we gotta have some type of destruction. So I figured, you know what, let's end the video like this. Oh no, I didn't expect that to happen.
Yeah.
Well, kind of.
Double-sided tape.
Double side. Oh, I didn't even realize. I didn't even have this, like. I guess it's cake. Shouldn't have mattered. Look at the Jenny bit. Just get it. She looks a little hungry. And then now for the most epic part about Onefinity. Oh, my Lance's gas. It's so broken. According to some people would say. So this is my son Case, and he helped me engrave the Onefinity cake that doesn't even look like Onefinity Elite. I wasn't really sure how the cake was going to react to the Jenny bit, and obviously the Jenny bit was hungry because she's, well, still got cake in her mouth. Sad thing. She must be addicted to that vanilla icing. Poor Jenny. This was a complete spoof video just to have fun with. I do want to thank Onefinity for allowing me to beta test their Journeyman Stiffy rail and the Z-20 spindle mount. Both these upgrades are huge improvements and absolutely amazing. This machine is by far one of my favorite machines. I've ran a lot of different desktop CNC machines, and I've also ran a lot of bigger, more industrial type machines as well. And some desktop CNC machines just don't have the quality. And then you got the Onefinity, which literally like just destroyed the desktop industry, having ball screws, steel rails, and annihilating all of its competitors in its first like week of introducing the machine. And just absolutely amazing machine. One of my favorite machines that I have. I have a couple other machines. I'm not going to mention what, but I do. And really love this machine, and I use this thing all the time. But thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, consider subscribing, hitting the cowbell, and I think there's something else you're supposed to do. Oh, give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, if you guys want to see more content like this, obviously I'm going to actually start cutting a bunch of stuff, doing a bunch of more serious videos where I'm actually showing you how to use the Onefinity, how I use my Onefinity, and how I set up my feed rates and all that stuff, and also videos on how to do V-carve and how to get better at using the Onefinity CNC machine, and then also some 3D printer stuff as well. So thanks for watching. Take care, guys.